Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of beauty with a fresh perspective. Today, we're talking about a product that's all about precision, comfort, and a smooth shave, the Billie Razors for Women Shave Kit. If you've ever struggled with getting a close, irritation-free shave, this one might just be the solution you've been waiting for. But before we get into all the details, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our honest beauty reviews. This shave kit comes with a non-slip ergonomic handle, 4 5-blade razor refills, and a signature magnetic holder. The blades are designed to give you a smooth shave, and the holder makes it easy to store your razor in the shower without worrying about it sitting in water. Now, let's take a closer look at what this kit really brings to the table. The Billie Razor Kit is designed for comfort and performance. Each razor features 5 nickel-free blades that are surrounded by soothing aloe shave soap, ensuring a smooth glide with minimal irritation. The non-slip ergonomic handle is easy to grip, even with wet hands, and the pivoting head moves with your body to adapt to those tricky angles. Whether you're shaving your legs, underarms, or bikini area, this razor feels like it was designed with your needs in mind. When I tested the Billie Razor, it was surprisingly easy to incorporate into my shaving routine. The razor felt comfortable in hand, and the aloe-infused shave soap provided a smooth glide, leaving my skin feeling moisturized afterward, not dry or irritated like I've experienced with other razors. The pivoting head really did make a difference, adapting well to the curves of my legs and underarms, giving me a closer shave with fewer strokes. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros? Well, the 5-blade design delivers an exceptionally close shave, and the nickel-free blades mean fewer chances of irritation, even on sensitive skin. The magnetic holder is a fantastic addition. It keeps the razor dry and hygienic in the shower, avoiding any rust or mold buildup. And that ergonomic handle? A total game changer. It's incredibly easy to use, even in a wet, steamy shower. The aloe shave soap surrounding the blades adds a nice touch, offering soothing protection while shaving. On the flip side, the price point might be a little high for some, especially considering that the razor refills are on the pricier side as well. While the magnetic holder is a nifty feature, it does take up space in your shower, which might not be ideal for everyone, especially if you're working with limited space. Is it worth the investment? I'd say yes, especially if you're someone who values comfort, precision, and a close, irritation-free shave. The convenience of the magnetic holder and the smooth shave make this a solid choice for regular use. As far as comparisons go, there are a number of razors on the market, but few offer the same ergonomic design and magnetic holder. If you're looking for a similar shave but at a lower price point, there are alternatives like the Chic Hydro Silk, which also offers multiple blades and moisturizing strips. However, the Billie Razor's sleek design and magnetic holder give it a distinct edge in terms of convenience and hygiene. When it comes to build quality, the Billie Razor feels solid and durable. The handle has a weight to it that conveys quality, and the blades stay sharp for quite a few uses without clogging. As for longevity, I found that the razor held up well over time, and the magnetic holder kept it in good condition, dry, and ready to use every time. So how does Billie measure up? The razor is well built, performs as promised, and does a great job of delivering a smooth, comfortable shave. It's perfect for those who want a high-quality razor that combines functionality with design. If this review has been helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.